Not happy. G'day, I'm Mark from Self-Sufficient Me, and I've been scammed. Kookaburras right on cue, they're laughing at me, and I don't want them to be laughing at you. So that's why I'm doing this video on how there's this growing trend of scamming us food gardeners to buy products that aren't real. Let's get into it. That was my real serious face. And look, being scammed is a serious thing and I don't take it lightly. This passion fruit behind me is a prime example of how even the best of us can get caught out. It's supposed to be a giant yellow passion fruit. I kind of felt like it was a little bit too good to be true when I saw it online. And I've got to tell you, looking at the image sort of got the better of me, and I thought, well, if it does grow really big passion fruits, imagine what a good viral video that could be. Anyway, I've been babying the plant and I've finally got it growing to a nice size and it's starting to fruit. And here are my giant passion fruits so far. They actually look miniature. It maybe should have been advertised as miniature passion fruits, not giants. You can see the plant's quite healthy. It's growing really well. And to be fair, there are some decent sized fruit on it. And I'm happy with that, but it's not really an exception. I've seen these Panama Gold passion fruits grow wild. Birds drop them in the backyard and they grow from seed up trees, and the fruit is sometimes even bigger than this one. So as I was peeking around and having a look, I recognized that there was a tag still attached to the plant that I'd left on there. So let me just pluck this off. I'm pretty sure this had written in texture giant on it. And now it's sort of become clear to me that if you look at the tag, it really just says Panama Gold passion fruit. And look, I reckon that there is some exceptions. I reckon you will find that sometimes you'll get abnormalities, bigger passion fruits than usual. And what they do is they will market those ones and try to sell them off as some type of new species of giant passion fruit. Now, correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. There probably is a species of giant passion fruit somewhere. I just don't know about it. But what I'm getting at is that, so be it. If there is, great. Hopefully one day I will find one and be able to grow it from seed. But this here is a normal Panama Gold passion fruit. It grows readily from seed, but even the purple passion fruit ones can get quite a bit bigger than this one, especially some of the hybrid varieties. But that's not the ones that I was interested in growing. So that got me thinking about other things that I see online that I really know is fake. And you might have seen them too. Those blue strawberries and all those different rainbow colored strawberries that you can get. Well, I hope that you haven't fallen for that. I'm pretty gullible, but even I would not buy those rainbow colored strawberries because for sure, lay down misère, they are a scam. I have to tell you, this is an impromptu video. I was actually out here working in the garden doing other stuff and I couldn't help myself. I walked past the passion fruit plant and I thought, scammed. And then I was actually working on my new video, which is coming out very soon, and that's on how to grow sugarcane and why you should grow it. And then that reminded me also of when I was doing the research for sugarcane. Have a look at this. See that? This is a sugarcane flower. And they have small seeds. If you shake them out, it'll have small seeds, pretty beautiful, just like grass, because it is grass. But when I was researching growing sugarcane, I came across a video of a guy who reckons he grew sugarcane from seed, and it caught my eye because I thought, hang on, I didn't know you could grow sugarcane from seed. I thought you could grow it from cuttings, but I didn't think seed worked. So it intrigued me. Anyway, I clicked on the video and I watched it, and evidently it was a scam. And what he actually got in the post was sorghum seeds. And he didn't realize you can still get sugarcane seeds, but usually when you plant them, they won't be the same as the parent crop, and they'll usually be sterile anyway. I'll talk a lot more about that in my upcoming video on growing sugarcane. And you might remember a while back, I did a video growing giant eggplant. Giant. They turned out to be just normal big black beauties. They weren't huge, although I did get some decent sized eggplants and a good feed out of them, and they tasted pretty good too. I suppose, see that pumpkin? That moved on its own then. I did that with my scamming skills. That was creepy. And speaking of strawberries, well, I was before, you can see that I've been busy out in the garden planting strawberries or replanting them, but there won't be any blue or black or rainbow coloured strawberry patches in my backyard. Like the saying goes, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So if it says giant passion fruit, giant strawberries, multicolored rainbow strawberries, giant eggplants, sugarcane that can be grown from seed, like real seed, not cane seed, which means little cuttings. If it says anything like that, beware of it and double check that information to make sure that you're not getting ripped off, especially if you're going to pay a bit of money for these things. Look, I'm happy to waste a few dollars here and there. I shouldn't be happy, but look, to try these things out is all fun. And so if I lose a few dollars, it's not the end of the world. But on a serious note, I have had people get close to being scammed in the comments section below my videos. So be wary of that. On YouTube, they try their best to control the spam and to control the scammers. On Facebook, they do a terrible job at it. It's really dangerous on Facebook. I will never get in the comments section and say, thanks for commenting. I'll say that, but I won't say, because you've commented, you've won this car or you've won $1,000, please go to this page and there'll be me with the thumbs up saying enter your credit card details to receive your $1,000. That will never happen. I shy away from doing competitions on YouTube and Facebook for that very reason. And if I do giveaways, I'll probably do it on our forum site, selfsufficientculture.com, or on our website, or it might be a meetup of some sort in some place, and then I might give away a t-shirt or something like that. But it certainly won't be big wads of cash, cars and that type of thing. I couldn't afford it anyway. So be wary of those things. That's very serious. But apart from that, yeah, just double check your information when it comes to buying seeds and plants online, because sometimes you just don't get what you think you're going to get, and that's what's promised to you. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big scammy giant thumbs up, share it around, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye for now. Oh, she's just come in at... Oh, don't worry. She's just come in at the right time. You didn't see her all video. There you go. You made an appearance. Well done, Bella. Good girl. Yes. Yes, you've made an appearance. Cheers.